By limiting your conceptions and by limiting your greater self of what you can be and do and have, you're limiting your manifestations. All these limits that we create are all coming and stemming from our conception within, what we hold within ourselves to be true for this world, what assumptions, beliefs, or what kind of memories we hold within. Those are dictating our realities. And how by changing this, how by removing those limitations, we can really get those results pretty quickly and really amaze ourselves with the kind of results we can get in this life. My name is Rohit and I've been studying of law of attraction manifestation for years now, and my goal with this channel is to simplify manifesting so people can manifest that perfect health, dream relationship, the dream house, whatever they desire with the power of their imagination. So this is a very key concept. A lot of people limit themselves by looking at the 3D world, and I did that for the longest times, and sometimes I also fall into this trap, but I always remind myself that I'm connected to this infinite awareness. I'm infinitely greater and I'm not limited by the limitations of this world. I will tell you an example. The technology we have right now, if you told someone 20 years ago, even 30, 50 years ago, they would call you crazy and they would say, you guys are crazy. Do this. For example, I would tell you about this simple device like the cell phone we have. A lot of people think now it's a very normal thing, right? But when the first person who let's say you go back in time, let's say you go back 50 years in time and you are from the future and you know how phone works, and you tell someone, by the way, my friend lives 5,000 miles across from me. Okay, he lives halfway across the world and I can call him using WhatsApp, FaceTime. I can call him, speak to him on a wireless device. This is a wireless device. There are no wires connected to it. Okay, real time, hear their voice, see them, talk to them in real time on a wireless device in such a tiny device. And this device will cost you maybe 1/10 of your salary. People will not believe you. People will say, are you crazy? Wireless? We don't even have proper wireless technology. How are you going to do that? Right? And video? And instantly? I don't believe that. And they will cross question you. People will not believe you and they will tell you you're crazy, you're limited. And so think about it, right? Think about it if you're teleported into the past. Let's say you are one day, you go to bed and you wake up in 1970s. And you have this phone, okay, but the battery is dead and the charger is not even made. Okay, the batteries and charger is not even made. But then people ask you, what is this crazy device you have? What is this mirror you have? Like, why do you carry this mirror with you all the time and you protect it with your life? And then you open up and then you tell them, actually this device, you can make a call, you can make a video call, you can call someone halfway across the world and you can talk to them instantly. Like face to face, you can see their expressions, you can talk to them. What would people think if you did that? Even 20 years ago, in 2000s, if you said you can have a real-time call, even the cell phones were there, but if you said the video was crystal clear, high definition, you can hear their voice, and the device is wireless, still people would be like, that technology is like 500 years in the future. We're not going to have this technology. Okay? If you had this technology 50 years ago, people will not believe it. They would say you're limited. Wireless? How is this thing going to work? Oh no, radio works. We still don't understand how radio works. But what are you talking about? This is just crazy. And to think and to remember what these other people are doing, they don't really understand the power of awareness. They don't really understand the power they have within, of the conception within themselves, which can break all these limitations, which can do incredible things, right? It is so unbelievable what humans can do, and it will feel unbelievable at that time. And when you visualize it and really have that conception, that will become your reality. And then people will say, oh, that person got lucky, or they had a lucky break, or something happened, or and now people take it for granted. Everyone has a cell phone. Even in the poorest of the poorest countries, people have great internet connection and they have cell phones and they can make video calls to their loved ones for free. And all of this is for free. Of course, you pay for the phone, but other than that, it's for free, right? The video call is free. There was a time we had to pay for video calls. Now this call is free. How amazing is this? How amazing is this technology, right? And whoever visualized it, whoever changed the conception, they not only changed their life for the better, they changed millions of lives all over the world. So were they limiting themselves to what other people in the 2D reality were telling you, right? And a lot of people who they're trying to make the change, a lot of people call them crazy, like Wright brothers who basically invented the airplane or perfected the airplane. You could say that the design was there in the past as well, but they were the ones who perfected it and actually made it acceptable to a lot of people so that the large scale production began. Okay, so when even they were doing it, people call them crazy. People said it's not possible, it can't be done. It is so crazy on what can be done now. It is so unbelievable, and that's what I'm saying. When other people see at the 3D reality and they said this will not happen, this can't be done, this is impossible, or it could be a person who was your ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend, they left you, and people would say, oh, they're never going to come back, you had a huge argument. What are they saying? They're looking at the 3D world and telling you that. Or if you have failed 3 businesses in a row and now it's the 4th business you're starting, people would be saying, why are you starting a 4th business? You have failed 3 businesses in a row. Stop wasting your time, stop wasting your money, get a stable job. What are they doing? They're looking at the 3D world, they're looking at your results, okay, and they're telling you it's not going to happen. But what they are doing is looking at all the other people, and also once you change your conception within, you will find more supportive people in your life and less unsupportive people. That is the magic of manifestation, right? When it's magical, like sometimes it gives me goosebumps of what happens, right? When you're in a job and you think a business can't be successful, and you have that conception and you doubt yourself, you will find more people reflecting that in your life, more friends of you telling you, maybe your mom telling you, maybe your girlfriend, boyfriend, maybe your uncle, aunt, somebody on YouTube, internet, somebody telling you on a Facebook group, WhatsApp group, man, stop with this business, stop wasting your time, stop wasting money, because at the same time you had this conception with him that I'm not a successful business person. Okay, but once you change this conception within, you will also see that other people who talk negative about this will either disappear from your life or will talk very less, and it won't even impact you one bit. Or you will find some really positive people who will support you on your entrepreneurship journey, who will really tell you you're really successful, you can really make a lot of money, you can be really big, and there's nothing stopping you. I'm so confident, I have full faith in you that you will become that success, right? And everything will stem from that, from your conception within. So why are we limiting ourselves? If we just look at history of what humans have accomplished, people would say we have accomplished some unbelievable, crazy things, right? People have been able to send robots onto Mars, and I'm pretty sure in the future there might be humans on Mars too. So don't limit yourself. Don't limit yourself by what you're seeing in the external world. Don't limit yourself what other people are saying, doing, or being. Don't limit yourself. You are infinitely greater than who you think you are. You can manifest unbelievable things, and there are no limitations to this. And I've been doing a lot of research on how to manifest things quickly. I've had some success with it. I'm still doing it. It might take me some more time. I found it really challenging, this topic, how to manifest things fast, because Neville said every desire has its own appointed hour, but in many cases people want to manifest fast. So how fast can we manifest? Can we manifest something which takes at least 5 years to 5 months? Can we do something like that? I've had some success on it. I'm still working on it, but once I have had the results, I've tested it, I've recorded it, my results, and I've been able to replicate it in other situations as well. Then I will share all these things to you as well. But what I've also realized is we are, in many cases, people think, oh, to be very successful on YouTube, or let's say to be very successful as a business person, it will take you at least 5 or 10 years. Why? Why does it need to take you 5 or 10 years? Can't you have the success in 1 year? So these are all the conceptions that people have, and by changing our conceptions we can change our reality. So I wish and I hope you found this video really beneficial. Give it a like, hit that notification bell, so if you see more content like this, if you found this really valuable, I really hope you come back and watch more of my content and spread this content to more people, so more people can awaken to the what greatness they have within, the power they have within, and by this power of imagination they can dramatically change not only their lives but the lives of hundreds and thousands of people. So I wish you great success on your manifesting journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of these videos. Take care.